How to set timeline as a deadline in Monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set timeline as a deadline in Monday.com. So first you can go to your Monday.com dashboard and then head over your workspace and then you can choose the board you want to set the timeline. And let's say this is my board. And as you can see, I have the task, the owner or the person, the status, and the due date. And so I'm gonna add one more column to timeline here like this. And as you can see, this is the timeline for the three tasks. I'm gonna set the timeline first. So let's say, like this maybe, and then this is like this or like this, and then like this. So yeah, this is the date for the timeline. And we're gonna connect the timeline to the status. So it's gonna be as a default. So you can click three dots here in the timeline column and then go to settings. And then as you can see, there's an option to set as a deadline. You can click it. And then as you can see upcoming and overdue tasks at a glance. So you can choose the status column. I'm gonna choose status, of course. And for the person column, you can choose the owner or person or whatever. And then just click connect columns. And it's done. As you can see, the status column and the timeline column is connected, and the timeline is a deadline right now. So as you can see, this is the deadline, and it's done and it's stuck, and this is the timeline. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.